You all in my lane, you ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like a Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a Bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switch and keep it pimpin' every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, Bistro family, and welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most amazing cauliflower wings, or Thai sweet chili cauliflower wings. So the first thing you want to do is get you some flour together, and that is self-rising flour. Like I told you, get the sale on it, self-rising. Then we got some black and red fish magic by Chef Paul Perdone. Then we got some San Pellegrino, and that's for our crispiness in our batter. Then after that San Pellegrino, we got some sweet chili sauce, and this is Mayploy sweet chili sauce. You can use any kind of sweet chili sauce, but that's my favorite. Then we got some rice wine vinegar. And the first thing I want to do is go ahead and make our sauce. So we taking about half of that bottle of sweet chili sauce, and then we're going to add maybe about 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. Now this is optional. I always like to cut it with rice wine vinegar because that rice wine vinegar will actually thin it out but give it some acidic notes. But like I said, pretty much your preference if you want to cut it, and pretty much your preference on how much you want to cut it by. And like I said, I had added half of that bottle, and then I went on with about 2 tablespoons of that rice wine vinegar, and that's perfect. We set it aside. And then to our flour, we got a cup of flour, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of this red fish magic. So you see, I added the first tablespoon, got that mixed in, and then added the second tablespoon. And this here is really about color because you want this batter to be good and have this like reddish tint to it. So, and also I'm adding some Kinder's salt-free garlic seasoning in there. That stuff is bomb. Like I said, it's salt-free, so you can really add it in and pack a lot of extra flavor to these cauliflower wings. Like I said in my last video, cauliflower have a taste but not too distinct, so you got to help it out as much as possible. Then we're going in with some of that San Pellegrino. Now this here is also optional. If you like your batter thick, you can add less. If you like it thinner, you can add more. I kind of sway on the thinner side because I'm actually going to cook this on stovetop, and if it's too thick, that batter is not going to cook all the way. But if it's too thin, it's going to give you that great crispy texture that you're looking for. So you see I added it, kind of thin it out a little bit more. Now here's the deal too, since I'm cooking it on stovetop and not a fryer, I have to constantly watch my temperature, so these things are going to cook pretty quick. All right, now with cauliflower, and this is the rest of the cauliflower that was left over from my cauliflower steak, and we're just going to cut these in to wing size. So however you like your wings, or what size you like your wings, that's what you cut them into. All right, once we get that situated, we're going to go ahead and dunk our wings into our batter and then begin to fry. Like I said, I'm flash frying in a small pan, so you're going to see me do about 3 at a time just so I don't overcrowd my pan and that temperature stay consistent. Like I said, frying like this, you got to constantly watch your temperature, and also you don't want it to kind of boil over because of it can. So like I said, these batches are going to cook in like 3 minutes. Once they're golden brown like that, you know, the texture like sun, go ahead and pop them off to the side, and I'm pumping them onto a wire rack just so they can drain but stay crispy. Now also, side note, if you toss your wings in the sauce like I did, they will get kind of soggy a little quicker, so you can also put your sauce on the side. But that didn't really bother me because I like to toss them in my sauce and then like dip them in some ranch or some vegan ranch. So it didn't bother me. But like I said, if you like your wings to stay really crunchy, kind of put your sauce on the side. But you seeing what I'm doing, I'm just tossing my wings in. I want these wings to be coated completely in this wonderful sauce. So go ahead and toss them up. Look at that. Like I said, this is a fantastic dish, and I'm trying to do some dishes for my vegan and vegetarian friends. I know it's not the healthiest because we did fry it, but you can also use your air fryer for this as well. And I might do a video like that too. But there you have it, man, the most amazing cauliflower wings, or Thai sweet chili cauliflower wings. Look at those, man. They're so wonderful, so beautiful, so delicious. And I serve these to some meat eaters, man, and they really love these things. So, yeah, just take a chance and try them out. If you looking to transition, like, you can start baby steps with things like this, where you don't have to use the mock meats and stuff, but start off with like your cauliflower steaks or your cauliflower wings, and that'll really help you start on your transition to becoming more healthier. Like I said, this is deep fried, but you can also use your air fryer for this recipe. But yeah, man, I just wanted to do a fun video for my vegan and vegetarian friends and let you know that, man, I be thinking about you guys too at the bistro. So yeah, there you have it, man. The most amazing cauliflower wings, or Thai sweet chili cauliflower wings from the bistro. I want to thank you guys for checking this video out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Share this channel, man. Thank you. We're over 2,000 subscribers with almost 80,000 video views, man. That is blowing my mind like every day. But yeah, thank you guys for checking this video out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The most amazing cauliflower wings from the bistro. I catch you guys on the flip side. I'm out.